This seemed like a good time to go ahead and show the new Anim modifiers that I made for the SKGSF plugin. And basically the idea is to be able to easily correct the IK hand gun and the IK hand R and L positions. So for example, let's say you bought animations from the marketplace and you want to try to use them and they don't animate IK hand gun, or they have messed up, say IK hand L or IK hand R, or you have working animations, you retarget them to, a custom skeleton like this guy did, and, they're just broken. As you can see, I have a firearm attached to IK handgun, and it is positioned to just directly to hand R. However, IK hand L and IK hand R are at least correct. So what we want to do is use the Anim modifier to position IK handgun where it's supposed to be. However, that typically has a problem. So as you can see, as I move it, it is at the same time moving hand R, IK hand R, as well as IK hand L. It's moving them around because they are children of IK handgun. So it'll correct those as well. So to use it, what we're going to do is we're just going to find the right hand, create a new socket, and I'll just call this one firearm correction because it's more or less temporary, and copy the name. So I'm going to go ahead and add a preview asset. I'm just going to use the same M4 right here and just kind of get it, roughly in position. So let's just go ahead and rotate that down somewhat parallel to the ground. And then angle-wise, let's go to the top. Okay, I think I have something wrong with the near clip plane because that does not look right at all. But from the top, I just get it somewhere in there. So go ahead and save that. So this will be our position where we want IK handgun to essentially be at. So to do this, all we have to do is just apply the Anim modifier. Now I need to do it to multiple animations. So I need to do it to this equip and this idle. So currently this is the result. So it runs the equip, and obviously it's pointed in the wrong direction. And same thing, the idle is pointed incorrectly. It corrects that when I aim, but it's, it has its own set of problems. And that's what this resolves. So the equip, same thing. You can see right there, it is just incorrect. So what we're going to do is select the equip and the idle animation, these two here. I'm going to apply an animation modifier. And we're going to use the copy IK handgun bones to socket. Likewise, I also did add this copy bones to socket modifier, which is the exact same thing as Epic's copy bones modifier. The only difference being it allows you to copy to a socket instead of a bone. But we're going to use this one because it's kind of more or less automated, and paste the name of the socket, so firearm correction, and simply apply. And as you can see, it immediately snapped out of place, or it didn't snap out of place, it snapped into place because the, the preview for IK handgun is now in the correct position. So now we'll just save all, and when I hit play, you can see it is now where we put it. So the positions are all set up and everything is where we wanted it to be. So anyhow, that is going to be all for this one, and I'll see you in the next.